Hi boys and girls, it's time for math. Today we're going to practice adding and subtracting using a 10 frame. So we know that our 10 frames look like this. It's a rectangle that has been divided into 10 spaces. We have 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. Now for this activity you have 10 frames in your packet, but if you need to you can also make your own on a sheet of paper, but I'm going to do mine on a marker board today. So let's get started. We know that when we are adding, we like to use two different colors so that we do not get mixed up on what we were working on. So our first problem that we're going to solve together is going to be 6 plus 3 equals, and then we're going to figure that out. So remember, when we're adding two numbers together, we're joining them together. We're bringing them together. So 6 plus 3, we're going to push them together. So let's make 6 on our 10 frame. 1, you can't see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 on our 10 frame. Let me get a different. Let's try it with the pink this time. So now I need to add 3 more. So that means I'm going to put 3 more dots on my board. 1, 2, 3. So I have 6 and I added 3 more, and it wants me to know what's the new number that we made. So we can count all of them, or we can use our strategies to figure out how many we have. Now I'm noticing that this 10 frame is only missing 1. So if we have a 10 frame, taking away a 1, we know that 1 less than 10 is 9. So there's 9 dots. Or we could see 6 and we can count on 6, 7, 8, 9. Or we can count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But either way, we figure out that 6 plus 3 is going to give us the answer 9. Let's try another one. This time, let's do 7 minus 3 equals blank. Now remember, our minus sign, it's like we're taking two numbers and we're pushing them far apart to our minus sign. So 7 take away 3, or 7 minus 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with 7. I'm going to add 7 on our board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it says I want to take away 3. So I'm not going to put any more on the board. In fact, I'm going to take some away. So I'm going to draw an X. 1, 2, 3. Now when we take those 3 away, we're not going to count them anymore. It's just like if I erased them, like they're not even there. So if I had 7 and I took away 3, how many do I have left? I bet you subitized that and you knew it was 4. Maybe you knew that there's 5 on top and 1 less than 5 is 4. Maybe you counted 1, 2, 3, 4. But no matter what you did, you found out that 7 take away 3 is 4. Let's try another one. Okay, this time let's do 1 plus 5 equals blank. 1 plus 5. We're bringing two numbers together, so we're going to use our two colors. 1, and then they want us to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots do you see? Some of you might have said 6. Maybe you just looked and knew. Maybe you knew that this was 5 and 1 more made 6. Maybe you just knew 1 plus 5 was 6. But no matter what you did, you figured out that 1 plus 5 more equals 6. Now I've got one more to show you before I show you your assignment. Okay, we have another subtraction problem. 8 minus 5 equals blank. 8 minus 5 or 8 take away 5 equals blank. So remember, we're not going to keep adding these numbers together. We're going to put the first number down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I need to take away 5 of them. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to draw X's, but remember, it's just like I erased it or I took them right off the board. But I like to draw them and draw X's so that I can check to make sure I took away the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I had 8 and I took 5 of them away, how many are left? I bet you suvatized that. 1, 2, 3. Did you see it a different way? Maybe. So boys and girls, let me show you what your homework is for the week. Okay, on page 62 and 63, it's going to give you a word, not a word problem, a number sentence in a 10 frame. And you can either use items around your house or you can draw on it. But I want you to show 2 different colors that show 2 things joined together. Like we used our blue and our purple, or blue and our pink. 2 numbers joined together. So 4 plus 2. 5 plus 1. Now check your symbols, because look, 6, whoopsies, 6 minus 2, or take away 2. And here we have 6 take away 5. So those are the 4 problems that you have to do in your packet this week. I can't wait to see all of your wonderful math thinking. Happy learning, friends. Bye.